Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing eyebrows tutorial. Hope you guys stay tuned. So the product I'm using is tweezer. I'm going to be using tweezers, spoolie to just brush my eyebrows razor, brow pencil in dark brown, waterproof eyebrow in dark brown colors. I'm just showing you guys how it works. And I'm going to be using LA Pro Concealer in Font, and I'm going to be using my foundation F06 in Camel. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to twist my eyebrows. Watch the way I actually held my tweezer, because I'm going to be working my way. I'm going to be pulling the hair like that, as you guys can see right now. So I'm pulling the hair in that direction. So as you guys can see right now, I'm just twisting my eyebrows because I really kind of need it nice and tidy. It's been a very, very, very long time since I've twisted my eyebrows since the COVID-19 happened. I haven't really gone to the shop to get my eyebrows done. So, hey, I've got to do it myself now. So that's what I'm doing. So I've tweezed my first one. So I'm going to go to my second eyebrows and get that one done as well. I'm just tweezing it. I'm basically doing the same thing I did with the first one. So I was having problem with doing my eyebrows using the tweezers because it was really, really sore. So I was like, you know what? Let me use the eyebrow razor, which obviously didn't work out for me. So I went back using the tweezer. So that's me done now. I'm just going to be using the brow gel. It's like a mascara. It's just so like I can have that line shape, so it's easier for me to draw the eyebrows. I find this really, really useful. So now I'm going to now begin to draw my eyebrows. So I start by using my brow pencil, which you guys can see right now. I'm just outlining the line for my brows. So I start under and then I go above to connect the brows together right now. So now to fill it in, I'm going to be using that waterproof eyebrow pencil. I'm just filling it in. I'm just going in very, very lightly. I'm not going heavily on it. I'm just working my way using that eyebrow pencil really nice and gently to fill in my brows. Then going back in with my spoolie just to blend everything in. Then I'm going to be using my angle brush. I love to use my angle brush for my brows, just so like it gives me the nice curve. So that's the amount I'm using. What I'm trying to say to you guys is like, because I'm going in to clean my brows, I'm just going to take my time. So just take your time, guys, when you're cleaning, you're doing this process. There's no rush, just take your time, to clean your brows. I'm really, really taking my time, dragging that concealer just downwards just a little bit, because I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing like eye shadow today. I'm just doing brow tutorial. So I'm going in using my brush to blend that concealer in into my skin. Now I'm going to be using my foundation. That's the amount I'm using. Is you guys look, you think it's really dark, but honestly, trust me, it's not dark. It's blended really, really well with my skin. You guys will see that pretty soon. So I'm just using that color to clean my brows up as well, the top of my brows, so everything is nice and clean. So you guys can see right now, like I told you guys earlier on, it really, really blends in with my skin. So if you guys are doing your eyebrows, so I recommend like you guys use like your foundation for the top. It gives you that nice clean look. So that's me done with the first one. So the second one, I'm gonna go in with the second one, doing my eyebrows. I'm basically doing exactly the same thing I did with the first brows. Drawing the eye the shape I want, going to fill it in with the waterproof brow pencil. Just basically the same thing I did with the first eyebrow. I'm doing the same thing. And then going back in with that same concealer, which is my Font concealer, and just cleaning that brows, you know, making it all nice and tidy. So that's what I'm doing right now. Blending that in as well, just going in to blend everything in, you know, so like everything goes really perfectly well with my skin. That's what I'm doing. And then going back in with that, my foundation, and just, you know, applying that above my brows, and I'm still going to blend that in into my skin, so everything is nice and, you know, smooth and all tidy and ready to go. So basically, guys, that's really how I do my brows. You know, I don't do much to my brows. I don't use a lot of products. So that's me really done with my brows. And I really hope you guys really enjoyed this short tutorial of mine. And I'll catch you guys really soon on my nice makeup tutorial. Bye for now.